guys, it's Willem here from Bunnypan. So we get this a lot, so that's why I'm going to quickly discuss it. I'm going to talk about website indexing. So what website indexing is, if you've finished building your website, if developer has done it for you, then your website needs to be introduced to Google or any other search engine, and then that search engine has to go and let's say I'm just going to use the example, but make like a photostat of your website, and then take that content and go and index it in their database. In other words, if I open Google and I search for buy bicycles, what will happen is Google will have a look at its own database for websites that are selling bicycles. They will go and look for the region where the bicycles are sold and all kinds of stuff like that. So Google doesn't go and search the whole worldwide web actually for content, because it will take forever. So what will happen is they will only search index content and other content on the database. So it's extremely important to explain it. Let's say I go and design business cards and pamphlets. My printer goes and prints it. I pick it up from them. I come to my office. I open the drawer. I put the business cards and pamphlets in the drawer, and I leave them there. Doesn't make sense. It needs to be out there, and people need to walk past the business card, be able to pick it up. The pamphlets need to be put in people's hands. So in other words, if your website's not indexed, it won't. Google search engine or other search engine won't pick it up. So it's actually a waste. You've done the whole process, and your website's hiding somewhere where nobody will find it. And actually, it's hiding in the dark web, so there's no way it will be searched or found unless you type in the address. Let's say bunnypants.co.za. So we get this a lot. A lot of people try and build their own websites, especially if they buy templates and stuff, and then afterwards they don't know how to index their websites, get their websites live, or they don't understand why they didn't get traffic and stuff like that. So just today I'm just going to keep it quick. How to check if your website's indexed. If it's not indexed, contact your web developer. If you want, you can contact us. We can get your website indexed within hours. So yeah, it's not a major train smash, but it needs to be done. Otherwise, we've got a website that's blind on the internet. So how do I check if my website's indexed? I go to Google or any other search engine. I use Google Chrome. Here in the top, I type site : I put my website address in. So I'll type in https : bunnypants.co.za, and Google's going to give me a return. It's going to tell me, listen here, there's 1,830 results, and I know Bunnypants website is quite large. We've got lots of blogs, we've got tags and stuff like that. So what has happened here is Google has gone and it's got 1,830 pages indexed in his database about Bunnypants. So if you're looking maybe for competition and stuff like that, they've got a page there for Bunnypants for competition of price packaging and stuff like that. So we've got a large website. If you've got a 6-pager website and you do this, 6 pages should be able to pop up here. If there's only one popped up, you need to have a look at it. Then you only have one link that can do marketing for you online. Let's see. My wife launched a website in beginning of end of November. It's Rejoice. So I did a site for it. It's got 208 pages indexed in Google for our website. So there's now 208 ways minimum people can find a website. So there's for kinds of searches related to a product. Okay, so quickly, just again, your website needs to be indexed by Google. If it's not indexed, you can check it. If it's not properly indexed, or if you do a site test and there's rubbish here, it's not what your website is about, we can also see that the SEO is not properly done. So yeah, contact us and let us help you get this thing sorted for you. Thank you.